Okay, we're at a wedding, and this is the third time I've made this video. Here are the two air conditioners in the back of the building. They are both Heil. They are both 5-ton. They're straight cool and they're running. I think one's a 5-ton from 02, and it is a 5-ton from 2002. There are the specs, and this one, this for the kitchen because that's blowing out some really hot air, and this one is not. Yeah, that one's blowing out hot air too. Oh, that's a hack condensate. Look at that. This one is a 5-ton from 1999. And the air handler's all straight cool with electric heat because this place has little tiny gas heaters. I'm not allowed to film inside, but I got pictures of everything. And you know what I'm going to do? Do that just a moment. But yeah, I'll go around front shortly. They're taking pictures. So yeah, we're on a farm. You can kind of tell. So yeah, anyways, I will be back. So yeah, two 5-ton Heils. 05, I think. And 1999, I think. Okay, these are the two units at the front. This one is a Heil 10. This one's not running. It's a 5-ton from 2001, 23rd week of 01. This one is running and it's a Heil as well. Five-ton from 1998. That one. And then there's that one. I can't film inside, but I can take pictures. That's the weird thing.